Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today is July the 3rd. It's a Wednesday, and it's beautiful here in Istanbul, Turkey. Today, we're going to do a very quick update and talk about the current market conditions and see how we've been trending thus far. So, there's not really good news. I did mention that there were two possibilities. Okay, so we're going to recap what has been going on. The 4 day, we're going to be very quick about this too. So, welcome to my channel for those that never been here before. My name is Philakone, and I've been in the crypto game for over 9 years now. And with that being said, I've been through two bear markets and two bull markets. I've heavily capitalized on both of them in terms of profits and in experience. And I am definitely somebody that you can count on for reliable technical analysis from a perspective of someone who has tons of experience and has seen every single major bull market and bear market thus far. So let's jump into it. We see that this channel has been holding for about 116 days now, which is 4 months. Every single time that we've ended up getting into this range, we hit, okay, it's the 4 day chandelier exit. We hit it once here, we hit it twice, we go below it 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. And now, unfortunately, we're likely to hit it again down over here just one more time. So you can see that every dip that we've had, there's been a counter dip, and then it made a lower low. Here it hit the trend line of the chandelier exit. Every time we have a dip, it rallied up, and it's likely to probably hit one more over here and make a lower low again to retest that chandelier exit of 6 days. This is a very likely scenario. Yes, I did tweet that we were possibly hitting 72K. There was a major trendline resistance that was broken, as we can see over here. So because it was broken, there was a chance for us to get up to 72K, but the momentum is just not there. Unfortunately, we lost steam. The market cap dropped by 3% today. So because of that, and we're retesting the $60,000 support range, I cannot see us holding here unless we really hold here. See this trend line, how it broke out? Okay, this trend line broke out over here, and you can see that it's literally just testing this region right here. Okay, it's testing both the 4 day. If you look here closely, you can see the 4 day channel, and we're also testing this slope trendline resistance that broke out. If we can hold here, there's a good chance we'll rally to 72K. If we do not hold here, we're going to drop back down to 57 to 58K ranges. And then once we get to those ranges over there, then I believe that we're going to rally to 50 or 70, 72K. So there's only two possibilities in my opinion. And the third possibility is very bearish, which unfortunately could happen as well, but I don't think it's a likely case, where when we hit that 4 day chandelier support and 50 EMA support, we're going to drop down further to $50,000. But I don't think that's a case. So provided that this holds right here, there's a strong chance for a rally to the upside. But if we don't hold, we're going to drop to 57 to 58K, which is the 4 day chandelier exit support. So do I actually think that this region right here is going to hold? No, I do not believe it's going to hold. Just based off of the momentum and how we ended up correcting this hard and how the market dropped entirely, there's way more of a chance that we're going to hit down to this region over here. So you need to remember that it's not always going to go our way. Sometimes we can stay bullish for a short period of time, short term, and sometimes new data comes in and it's going to change our bias to something differently. So for anybody that says something like, oh, you were just bullish 2 days ago. Yeah. And then more data came in, which causes us to change our mind. Any professional who has made a few $1 million in the market will understand that. But any newer trader or investor that cannot understand that we always react to new data coming in, they're usually people that don't have a lot of experience in the market. So unfortunately, the market cap did drop. We can see that total 3 is now looking like it's trying to print another lower low. You can just see that nothing is really going to hold. 2.115 trillion, right? We're most likely going to get down to these ranges. This is a support range down over here. We might even wick below it. As you can see, we wicked below it before, so there's a chance again. The total 3 market cap is also diminishing hard right now. This doesn't look like a region where it's going to hold. This is probably the main type of support, but you can also see that a total 3 market cap can easily dip below that main support region. In fact, it might even be possible to get a little bit of a huge capitulation, not a little bit of a, but actually a huge capitulation to $531 billion, which is another 10% drop in the market. You can see that many coins in my portfolio dropped significantly today. And unfortunately, because of that, my portfolio it took a huge hit today. My portfolio today is down $276,000, and it's now made almost an all-time low since the March 13th all-time high at $72,000. So, yeah, not really that bullish anymore right now, short term. Long term, am I still bullish? Yes, I definitely am. I believe that Bitcoin will still have a major bull market later in the year, in Q3, in Q4, and also 2025. Till when in 2025? I don't know, unfortunately. So because of that, it's the best advice I could give people is basically to just kill time. Find ways to find more revenue, dollar cost average, buy more, get another job, whatever you need to do to make time go by faster, if that's what you need to do, and to find more capital to invest in the market as well. So taking a look at the volatility scanner of mine today. So this volatility scanner, what it does is it's going to highlight green or red. If anything moves 5% in 2 hours, 10% in 4 hours, 15% in 24 hours, or 20% in 2 days. If it moves to the positive side, it'll obviously be green. If it moves to the red side, it'll obviously be red. So we can see that there's only one coin that actually meets the volatility scanner criteria for the bullish side. But for the bearish side, you can see some coins took a major dip like ETHFI, ENS, OM, Pendle, and also Tau. So the market is looking much more red in general than it is green. So unfortunately, because of that, we're going to have to take a step back and be more patient when it comes to day trading opportunities. Things are bleeding right now. The market is absolutely bleeding. This indicator of mine was developed for 2 reasons. I thought about everything that I would need in any type of market. One is I need an instant gauge to tell me exactly how the market is trending. And this is what this does, based off of how many things are highlighted green or red. If not many things are highlighted green, then it means the market's not that volatile. If more are highlighted red, then you're going to see that the market is more so dropping to the downside. If a lot of things are highlighted lots of red, then you know the market's severely dropping. If a lot of things are highlighted green, then you know that the market is very volatile and moving to the upside. So that's one reason. The second reason is anytime anything is volatile, I will be able to see it immediately. So if I can see that there's many things highlighted green, I can gravitate to that coin and then I'm able to day trade it immediately. So this gives me an opportunity to never ever miss any type of day trading coins. So if there's anything volatile, I'm going to see it right away. I'll be brought to the attention of that coin. I do technical analysis on it, and then hopefully I can catch a trade. So this is the power of this indicator. And even though many people might not want to pick it up right now, I promise you that when the market picks up and you see this highlighted green across the board, and it tells you the market is amazing, it tells you which coins you can possibly trade, you can see that it's going to be something that you absolutely need to get. So if you're interested in that, there's a link below. So this is the #1 indicator on the market that will tell you this. Not only that, I also have a signals group that uses 9 confluent reasons to enter a trade. If you're one of those people that wants to get amazing signals based off of the criteria that I use to enter a trade, this is for you. I got 2 different channels here. One is for the 4-hour time frame, and the other one is for the 15-minute time frame for day traders. So 4 hours would be for swing traders. What's cool about this is that in a bull market, a lot of these signals will light up. So it takes 9 reasons for it to light up. And when they do, there's a really good chance that you can capitalize on it, provided you understand technical analysis and also understand how to risk manage as well. So combined with the indicator of mine, the advanced volatility scanner, and this alerts group, you are definitely ahead of 99% of the pack. If you're interested in this, take a look at the link below. Everything is there. Other than that, the market sucks, guys. Just gotta wait for some better days. Talk to you soon. If you enjoy these videos, hit the like and the thumbs up button. I would appreciate it.